stripes on the cutting cross-section. Stripes on cutting cross-section. Is wire tension lower? Too low. Inspection 14. Higher WT normally can improve wire streak problem. For instance, 1 kg per centimeter square above set on diameter 0.25 mm wire. Normal. Is carbide plate connected well? Unusual. Inspection 15. Very close contacts on carbide plate. Press the wire and the wire twist. Normal. Is wire twisted? Twisted. Inspection 16. Don't use unfitted size spool. Standard are 3 kg and 5 kg spool and the optional 8 kg or man-made spool. Normal. Is pretension too strong? Too strong. Inspection 17. The pretension from spool may disturb wire traveling and cause wire in constant vibration, which is one of streak's reasons. Please select the standard 5 kg spool as possible. Normal. Is cutting condition stable? Not stable. Inspection 18. Any idle, wire break, interruption, working condition change, and improper offset value of skim cut may cause streak. Normal. 2. Normal. Is diamond guide damaged? Damaged. Inspection 19. If diamond guide or carbide plate worn out or ever crashed, wire may be damaged by its outside edge. No. Is the center of roller set over? Unusual. Inspection 20. Wire actually travel over V-slot on guiding rollers, traveling between wire tension roller controlled by a motor inside and a lower arm wire collect roller inside of lower guide. Any scratch on V-slot or bad lubrication may twist wire itself. Normal. Is cutting condition normal? Unusual. Inspection 21. Please refer to the enclosed working condition list. If don't, notice to control the flushing pressure at skim pass cut may cause wrinkle surface. Normal. Is wire offsetting normal? Unusual. Inspection 18. Any idle, wire break, interruption, working condition change, and improper offset value of skim cut may cause streak. Normal. Is wire type available? Unusual. Inspection 11. There are various kinds of wires. The wire quality and the level may affect the cutting speed and accuracy. Please use proper wire. Normal. Normal.